Okay, so yeah, we have a video, and we're just gonna be playing Monkey on the Shelf, and say your name, unless you don't have a mic.
My name is Opie.
Okay. What's your name? Monks. No, Mr. Monks. Sorry. Yours, AI. Nice. And then be real. Yes, sir. Okay, let's go.
Be real, bro. Like, be real.
Like, literally. Okay, does all of you guys know how to play? Do you all know how to play? Sir.
Oh, you tag me, you're gonna get, you know.
Okay, so let's go. Wait, in your edition, does that count as floor or no?
This does kind of slow.
It counts as floor? Okay. So, can't go on that.
Where do we have to go?
To the mirror. Just touch the mirror. All you gotta do is touch the mirror.
Weave.
Without touching the floor.
Weave.
Oh, my hand is lagging. That's not good. As if it disappears on a
Oh, you
very
were so
situation.
close, but you didn't touch it.
Got it.
Got the mirror.
Okay. Now we go back and he can delete one thing. He can delete one thing. That will now count as floor. Boom.
Delete this.
Pow.
We're goofy.
Pow. You deleted what? Oh, that? Okay.
Yeah.
Admin, I'm here.
Bet. Yes, sir. Pow. 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 Okay, I'm just gonna head back.
You didn't make it.
Okay, it's a 1v1 now. Me and this kid. Okay, what are you deleting?
Actually, here, wait. This wall.
Bet.
Boy, if you don't. Beef. Beef. Near. I'm Woodley.
Thank you. Boing.
Battery percentage is 13.
Oh, that sucks. So Mr. Monks won't be here for long.
Battery percentages is at 3.
Oh, and he's gonna die pretty soon. So now what?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my videos can only be 15 minutes long. So
This one.
just to be safe, I might end it early, so you guys can be in my video. So yeah. So wait, what are you deleting? Sorry, I didn't see. Redelete it. Oh, I think he's dead. Oh no, he's alive. Can you redelete the thing? Cause I didn't see it.
Boy, if you don't.
You delete it. It was this.
Oh,
Boy, if you don't. Oh, get through that wall. What are you deleting?
that thing.
This.
Damn, that is scary. My heart just jumped. Yo. Thank you, sir. Boy, boing.
I'm literally gonna head back. I'm literally too good. I'm literally too good.
Okay, now what?
Don't make it hard. I'm deleting this.
Ooh, I don't even know what to do.
Oh, doesn't it? Dude, you go first.
Nuh-uh.
Here,
I don't know what to do.
Here, wait. Back up. What I would do is I just like...
Oh.
I'd try and wall run over to here. I'd go over here.
Wait, can I try?
Like,
Without getting tagged.
go on the wall. And
Here, let's just see if it's possible. Don't tag us. If we fall. Don't tag us if we...
but let's just see if it's...
Oh, damn, that's hard.
No! Bye.
That's so hard.
Wait a minute.
Oh, that was close. Okay, how about we count this as not floor? How about we count this as not floor? So this isn't floor, this isn't floor. Good? Is that good?
No, it's possible. It's possible. Come on, let's do it, guys.
No, I
Let's do
literally
it.
can't do it. Oh, okay, let's just say you win. Good job.
Yay.
I think Mr. Monkey is gone.
No, you're not gonna tag me.
you want to just play tag, or now what do you want to do? What shall we do, people? Do you want to get
47.
zero? Do you want to get? Do you want to get zero grab?
I'm literally gonna tag you. I'm literally too good. I'm lit.
I scared there. Oh, oh, crap. Okay, what do you want to do? Zero gravity, tag, whatever. I don't care. Nothing? Okay, guys. How do you even tag me? I can shoot backwards? Oh, that's cool. Fire! Okay, I think he's in basement. Oh, I think someone just got hit with the monkeyness. The monkey. Oh, I see him. Oh, wait. Yeah. So guys, I think that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and yeah. Where's all the people at? Everyone come to the clouds for our ending of this video. Come to clouds, people. Everyone, come here. Where the heck is everyone? Okay, everyone come here. We're gonna finish this up. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And oh, yo. And yeah. See you in the next video.